Hello, and welcome to one more instructional video by Idiomas. Today, let's learn how to include your video curriculum on your LinkedIn profile. It's super easy. First, open your YouTube app. Then, search for the Idiomas channel. Enter the channel. Navigate to the Playlist tab. Entering the first semester graduation playlist. Now, look for your video. Let's use this one. You can pause the video if you want. On the tabs below, click on Share. Then copy the link. And the first part is finished. You may close your YouTube app now. Now, enter on your LinkedIn app. Navigate to your profile and click the plus button. On the plus button, you'll see several sections. Click on Spotlight section. Now click on plus to add a spotlight. Add a link, and the link will be automatically pasted. It is possible to include a description for your link. For example, curriculum video. After that, just click Add. There you go. Save. And you're done. Thank you very much for watching another instructional video. The Alpha team hoped you've enjoyed.